So I've been home for a while now, recovering from my hospital visit. Not so fun. But that doesn't mean I haven't been doing, what I can. Things I have been doing is pouring through parts catalogs going, do I need that bolt? Or have I missed buying that? Do I really need that? What have I forgotten? What things are going to hold me up, keep me from making progress? So one of the things I ordered just arrived. I wanted to show it to you. It's my nuts and bolts and washers. This is one of those mixed bags you see on eBay. It's funny, they specify them for specific cars. Like, this is for a 1963 MG Midget. But I have a feeling that they're really all the same. They're all just a mixed bag of UNF bolts and nuts and stuff. So the descriptions of what's actually in there is not so good. So I thought I would just open it up, dig around, show you what's in there. This is not how I'd prefer to buy things, but I thought it was worth a bit of a risk. And I know I know there's going to be that one little, quarter-inch nut that's holding me back, keeping me from putting the whole thing back together. So I went ahead and bought it. Just dump it out of here for you. Off the bat, it doesn't look too bad. This size, I kind of wish there were more of. There's a few of them in there. This is putting the stuff back in the engine compartment. Focus. This is, I've used a lot of these. So, kind of glad to see that there's one of them. There's nuts and washers for those. Hard to. I'm not gonna go through and count these all, but because life is short. But there are some nylox, which is kind of nice, and some standard. A couple different sizes. Looks like they've all kind of like worked their way into each other. I think they upped the numbers with the washers. You could use metric washers on, standard bolts. So I could get those over here, but overall, it does look like an interesting mix of stuff. I still feel the numbers are inflated with the tiny little washers and stuff they add, but there's nothing that's really too very long. This is the longest the bolts are. These probably 1 inch long. But anyway, it's a mixed bag. I am glad I ordered it because it's gonna be that one nut, one bolt holding me back from finishing things, and living in Europe, you just can't find these. I thought about taking a trip over to London or England somewhere and stopping by a hardware store and stocking up on a real supply of stuff, but maybe for the future. But for now, this is what I got. And I wanted to make a video and show you that, even though I have some limitations right now, that I am improving. I'm hoping to get back to the shop a little bit later this week and do some light work. I could probably stand in front of the sandblasting cabinet, and sandblast for a while. Physically, I can stand for a while. I can lay down all I want, but sitting's very difficult. And of course, bending and picking up anything off the floor, still kind of hard to tie my shoes as well. Anyway, that's how things are going. I'm just gonna put out this short video to show you my nuts and bolts and washers, and just tell you I'm doing all right. If you like this video, click the like button below. If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want to make sure Google reminds you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Your support is very much appreciated.